everybody. This is my sensitiva plant. What's that? Okay. Here we go. Oop. Close up. In a few minutes, it will open right back up. And that's a natural herb, sensitiva, known as Shama Lady. These right here is my amaranth plant, otherwise known as callaloo. I've cut and callaloo off these like maybe 4 or 5 times already. I'm allowing them to seed so I can plant or replant next spring. Over here, got me some green onions. Got me a ginger plant. Over here, got me a bay plant. Took my bay leaves off. Got me an avocado tree. Basil plant. That's not a basil plant right there, different species. This right here is a hibiscus plant for my experiment. I gotta do some research on it. This what I got right here is my bitter melon, otherwise known as cirrusy. I just planted it. This is what left of my catnip after those damn cats got it like 3 or 4 times. And my oregano plant, I'm gonna have to replant some. I guess the cats got it the last time. This over here is my leaf of life. Planted. Got this one online. Got a cat, so I think I'm good. This is some Spanish needle that I got right here, and I got a few plants of these. They're actually perennial, so after the winter they come up like late spring. This right here is my dill. I only got 1 plant of this. I got right here fennel. Also, the fennel and the dill actually look alike, but smells different. What I got me right here is my grape tree. I got me right here a small arbor that I built for it. And I got me some semicontra, which is another herb or spice those natives in Central America used to cook with. Got me over here another cirrusy plant. It's called bitter melon. Over here, I got me some okra tree. I also got me okra on it also. Right here, I got me a very important plant. It's called a soursop tree, and hopefully it survive the winter. I'll try my best to cover it. This tree plant is very important. Right here, got me some onions sprouting. And over here, got me some butternut squash. Got me maybe a dozen of those right now. And also some watermelons supposed to be coming up soon.